Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through mobile app setup for the ECOVACS T30S AI Care. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, go ahead, open up the ECOVACS app. It's available for iOS and Android devices, so just search your app store for it, download, sign in or create an account. Then you'll be at this screen where we can add our device. We have two options. We can scan the QR code on the device or search for the device. Let's go ahead, let's bring the vacuum out here. We'll pop off the cover. There's our QR code. So let's go ahead, let's scan to connect right here. There we go, it got the code. Now we're prompted to power on. So press and hold the middle switch of the robot and wait. We'll hear a startup sound. Oh, it just moved. There we go. Got the light on. There's the sound. You'll notice we got a blinking light here.
Choosing the ECOVACS robot.
We powered it on.
Scan the QR code for details.
Select next. Turn on Bluetooth hotspot. So we're going to press the reset button for 1 second, then release.
Bluetooth hotspot has been released.
Boom. Got the prompt. Next. Now it's going to pair. Connected. Just saw it on the screen. Now we're at this next screen where it says connect the robot. So we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then select next.
Network setup in progress. Please wait.
Voice prompt with the network setup in progress. Now it's working on connecting to everything.
Network connection successful.
Boom. Super quick. Now we can name the device. Select continue. Downloading. We can select our time.
Hello, I'm Yiko, your new AI voice assistant from ECOVACS. I will make your home more comfortable.
Okay, Yiko.
If the volume is too low, you can say, okay, YIKO, turn up the volume.
We're good. And now we're taken into our device. So a little bit of that voice assistant setup. And now we're taken into our device right here. Everything is all set up and ready to go for you to start mapping your home and start to clean with this robot vacuum. Simple, straightforward. It should take you about 1 to 2 minutes tops.